Okay, we're looking here for the six trigonometric functions of negative 450. So we're looking essentially for sine negative 450 degrees, cosine negative 450 degrees, tangent negative 450 degrees. Reciprocal sine is cosecant of negative 450 degrees. Also cosine is secant negative 450 degrees, and finally we're looking for cotangent of negative 450 degrees. So unsa na yung negative 450 degrees? Okay, so meaning na if you have the circle, okay, let me put in the unit circle. Okay, if we have this unit circle, so muna ang unit circle, we simply plot the circle with the origin at 0, 0, and ang ilang mga endpoints dayon, kani nga point, 1, 0, kani siya nga point. So this is circle with radius 1, no? Iyang origin giplot sa ang iyahang center kay nasa origin. Now, unsa man ang negative 450 degrees? Okay, so simply pabaliktad lang imong kan. Imbes the normal one is we count from here, paana ang ato ang ano, paana ang ato ang counting positive. This is positive angle. Paana, no? Paana bali ang count. So pag negative, pa kuan ka counterclockwise. Ay pa clockwise bali. Okay? So gikan dani, that is your zero angle. Mutuyok ka no? This is 90. Okay, 90. Another one, 90 is 180. Another one plus 90 pag yun, no? This is 180 270 negative 270. Then pag ana pag yun mo is negative 360 plus 90 pa, that will be getting what? Negative 360 plus another tuyok, that's 90. You end up getting 360 plus 90. That's 450. So bali kana day nga kuan, kana day nga angle is diri na siya mo end, okay? Or bali kanang negative 450 is isa ka tuyok is negative 360 plusan pag mo isa pa ka 90 degree nga tuyok na pabaliktad na tuyok is you'll get negative 450. So bali kani ang imuhang kuan no? Imuhang x kay what? 0, ang imong y kay negative 1. So bali mao nang imuhang mo ni ang endpoint sa imuhang kuan no? Sa imuhang angle. So mo ni imong ginalantaw lang. Okay? Kay so katawa man ni no? So katawa. The idea of SOHCAHTOA, it says that this sign is simply opposite over hypotenuse. And in this case, ang imong hypotenuse is ang x may always opposite, ang y is always the x is adjacent, not the opposite. X is adjacent, y is the opposite, okay? Y is the opposite, and your hypotenuse is always the radius, which is always equal to 1. This is the hypotenuse, okay? Always na siya equal. The radius of the circle is 1. In this case, sine negative 450, opposite over hypotenuse naman. Opposite is negative 1. Hypotenuse is of course 1, so the value of sine is negative 1. Cosine, adjacent. Well, adjacent is 0 over hypotenuse is simply 1, so that must be 0. Tangent, opposite over what? Adjacent. So opposite is negative 1. Adjacent is 0, so this is undefined. Undefined. We don't have that value. No, we're not allowed to do that. So cosecant negative 450 is what? Opposite, reciprocal lang siya sa sine, so which is negative 1. 1 divided by negative 1, or simply that's still negative 1, right? Second, negative 450. No, 0 over 1. So mahimo na siyang 1 over 0, which is undefined. And finally, we have cotangent of negative 40. Reciprocal lang ana niya, no? So is 0 divided by negative 1. The value, of course, is 0. So these are the values of your 6 trigonometric functions of negative 450. So negative 1, 0, undefined, negative 1, undefined, 0. So lantawon na nimo no iyang unsa siya aso nag-end kana nga angle kung negative pa imong counting sa angle is pa clockwise dapat. Nagikan ka dire sa x-axis pa clockwise. Okay? That's it. Thank you.